Find the exact value of cosine 9 pi over 4. What I'm going to need if I find the exact value is definitely not a calculator. See, when we deal with sine and cosine, 99.99% of the time when we use a calculator, we end up with a crazy irrational number. So I'm going to refer to this chart right here. That's my reference angles chart that I stole from the internet. Thank you, math, blah, blah, blah. Now what I need to do is I need to find cosine of a reference angle. Well, you might be looking at that and saying, well, that's not a reference angle. Reference angles are supposed to be between 0 and 90 degrees, or 0 and half a pi. This is 9 over 4 pi, which means it's over 2 pi. So what I'm going to do in order to find my reference angle is I'm going to subtract 2 pi from that guy right there. This, of course, means that if I want to subtract 2 pi, it's going to be the same as 8/4 pi because, fractions and stuff. And that leaves me with pi over 4. Now, where does that fall as far as being between 0 and half a pi? Well, that is between 0 and half a pi. So if we're looking at this as to where is this on a coordinate plane, it's in quadrant 1, which means I don't have to change anything. So cosine 9 pi over 4 is the same exact thing as cosine of pi over 4. Now, what is cosine of pi over 4 as far as my reference table goes? Well, there's pi over 4, which is 45 degrees. The cosine of it is going to be root 2 over 2. So whenever it says find the exact value, you're looking at this reference angle chart. That's what you're looking at. Find the exact value never means throw it into a calculator and round, because technically that's not the exact value. This is the exact value, and as you can see, square root of 2 is going to be irrational. It would be ugly if you use a calculator anyway, and if there's anything I'm not, it's ugly. Like and subscribe.